Welcome back to my new video on OpenAI. So this tutorial, we are going to be working with how to generate images from text. Okay, so the model is going to be from text to image. Okay, so I'm going to start with creating a function which we are going to call generate image, and then we pass in the prompt. And I'm going to use the OpenAI.image.create. Then we're going to pass in prompt is equal to prompt. And the size of the image we are going to be looking at is 1024 by 1024. Okay. And this is going to return a response object. And we're going to say image URL is equal to the response object. We slice the data out of that JSON object, and then we grab the first element, and then we grab the URL. Okay, so we can now return image URL. Okay, so that is a simple function, not complicated. Now we're going to create the endpoint. Going to call it route, and then we pass in generate image. Okay, generate hyphen image. Okay, it's going to be a post method, post, and then we're going to say def gen image, and gonna use the request library request.getJSON, and then I'm going to say prompt is equal to data. We slide the prompt key out of it, and then now we can call the generate image and pass in the prompt. And this is going to return a results. Let's call it results. And the last thing is to return this. So we're going to return JSONify. We pass in results. Okay, so that is all to our text to image. Okay, so I'm going to run this. So whilst we wait for it, I'm going to say generate image, and then we're gonna say a dog playing soccer. Okay, that is the image we want to generate. Okay, so now as you can see, it has started running. So I'm going to run this. You see, this is the results that you return. You can see that this is like they're using blob storage, Azure blob storage to store this image. So we're just going to copy this URL, and then we go to the browser and paste that URL in. So if I run that, you can see that this picture shows a dog playing soccer or football. Okay, so let's generate another one. Let's ask it to what do I come up with? Rabbit crossing the highway with a frog. Okay, so let's generate this. So now let's copy the URL and paste that in the browser. You see, this looks like a tortoise, you know. You can see the rabbit, and this is the road. Okay. Yeah, so this is what OpenAI generated for us. So let's try the last one. The last one, I'm going to use the terminal. Okay. I'm going to paste this in here. And I'm going to change this to let's call Donald Trump sitting in the White House with Joe Biden. Okay, that's what we want to see. Okay, so this is not going to work. So let's try another prompt. Let's try another prompt. Let's say astronaut walking on Earth with a flag. Okay, so it generated it for us. So let's copy the URL and then paste that in the browser. You can see this is an astronaut. I don't know which flag is this, but it looks like a Russian flag or something. Yeah, so basically that is what OpenAI is generating for us. These are some examples I tried earlier on: two cat and a dog fighting, and a rabbit crossing a road, and a dog driving a car, a cat sitting in the chair, and then a cat on a sitting on a table. Okay. Okay, so let's try the last one. Okay. Astro not riding a horse in space. Okay, so let's copy and then paste that. You can see it created a horse with an astronaut riding on it in space. Okay, so basically this is how you can use the OpenAI API. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.